If you could get an insurance policy for nursing school, now I'm not talking about the liability insurance for clinicals, but an insurance policy that helps you out when you have trouble in nursing school, would that be a good deal? My name is Nicole Whitworth. I'm the founder of YourNursingTutor.com, and I help nursing students get through school confidently and calmly by teaching you exactly how to study in a way that will automatically be training your brain to think like a nurse so that you can do well in your classes, do well in your exams, pass NCLEX the first time without a review course if you don't want to take one, and become the successful nurse that you know you're capable of being. So, if there was an insurance policy for nursing school, would it be worth it? Because we all know that paying for insurance kind of sucks when you never use it, right? You just feel like you're paying out money every month. And you're like, what am I using it for? But at that time when you crash your car, or maybe your kid crashes your car, or something that maybe you had no control over, like somebody rear ends you, or COVID hits. We all saw that one coming, right? Not. Things can happen, unexpected things, things that maybe we should have known about in advance and prepared for, but we didn't for whatever reason, or we didn't get good advice. Maybe we followed the wrong advice and we didn't know any better, but now we do. Insurance can come in handy. But what if instead of having an insurance policy that only gave you help when something bad happened, it also helped you to prevent those bad things from happening? That's what I have created with the Your Nursing Tutor VIP membership. What I will do is come alongside of you as an experienced tutor of over 12 plus years, and I will help you learn how to study in a way that is training your brain to think like a nurse so that you can do better on your classroom exams, so that you really understand the information versus just trying to memorize it and feeling overwhelmed all the time. And if the worst happens, if what you think is the worst happens, we'll come alongside of you as a community. We'll motivate you, we'll lift you up, we'll encourage you. We'll let you cry a little bit, let you vent a little bit, and then we'll encourage you to pick yourself back up, start on that path to nursing again, because you can do this. I'll help you come up with a plan if you're already in a situation like that, so that you know exactly what next steps to take in order to improve and reach your dream of becoming a nurse. If that sounds like something you want to be a part of, you can find out more information at yournursingtutor.com/VIP.